Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go hit that like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we have the market cap sitting at 1.99 trillion. We're down almost 5% over the last day. We have Bitcoin sitting at 43,000, Ethereum sitting at 3,100, Solana sitting at 114, Terra sitting at 108. Terra has flipped Solana in market cap value. XRP sitting at 76 cents. Cardano sitting at $1.06. Avalanche $83. We have Kronos at 44 cents. We do have Algorand down here at 77 cents. That just took a major hit today. It was at around 90 cents yesterday. Stellar 20 cents. That's a good entry price as well. Hedera 21 cents. Good entry price as well. Not financial advice, but that's just my opinion. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts. Again, we do have it at 43,294. Our technical saying is a good time to sell, but I would suggest to keep on buying and keep on accumulating as we are in a little dip. So as I say, buy the dip. So we take a look at the XRP price. Well, actually, let's go back to the Bitcoin price. So we did dip below that 45,000 mark. But again, I do believe this is a healthy correction because we have been on our way up ever since February, like end of February. So right here, we just started going up, and we came back down, made a higher low, and we've just been steadily creeping up. And we did hit that support of about 48,000, and we just dipped back down to 43. So I do believe this is a healthy correction. But now let's get onto the XRP charts. So again, we do have XRP sitting at 76 cents. Technical, same thing with Bitcoin. It's telling you to sell, but I would suggest to keep on buying. We had the same run right here from end of February. Kept on going up, made higher lows. Went up, went down. Same thing, had major dip right here. And then another major dip here. But I do believe this is a healthy correction. Again, this is not financial advice, but that's just my opinion. I do believe we will be heading on our way up. But this is why I stay bullish on XRP. 14.2 million XRP have been transferred from an unknown wallet to FTX. I know it doesn't sound good, but I do believe that FTX is a platform. So who knows if it might be the platform buying XRP from that unknown wallet. So again, that's why I do remain bullish on it. So let's get on to the articles. On finance feds, Ripple applauds Hester Pierce for blaming SEC over lack of fair notice. The commission has refused, despite many pleas over many years, to provide regulatory guidance about how our rules apply to crypto assets. So some of the responsibility for lack of legal and regulatory clarity lies at our doorstep. So again, Hester Pierce has always been on the crypto side. She is the crypto mom. So the SEC has released a staff accounting bulletin regarding the accounting for obligations to safeguard crypto assets and entity holds for platform users. The SEC has refused to provide regulatory guidance for crypto, and that's why XRP is in the steps that they're in right now, because they are trying to win that lawsuit, and I'm pretty confident that they are or have won the lawsuit already. They're just waiting to announce it. But again, it just says Commissioner Pierce first reminded those risks are not new and SEC was already aware of that. Then she moved to criticize the fact that the SAB does not acknowledge the Commission's own role in creating the legal and regulatory risks that justify the accounting treatment. The Commission has refused despite many pleas over the years. Ripple's General Counsel Stuart Alderati shared Hester Pierce's remarks on Twitter, followed by the fire emoji. So again, this is bullish. Poly stands for burn in this context. But again, I do believe Ripple will win this case. Like it states here, Ripple is getting closer to summary judgment on fair notice, as Judge Annalisa Torres ordered both parties to agree on a briefing schedule. The defendants want opening briefs on May 22nd, but the plaintiff thinks it's premature and is likely looking to extend the XRP lawsuit as much as possible, as time is it's its best weapon against Ripple in this case. The upcoming court ruling on the SEC's motion for reconsideration, however, might change everything. A Ripple win means that the SEC will be forced to produce and the very sensitive documents regarding Hinman's 2018 speech. XRP holders attorney John Deaton. Shout out to John Deaton. Go ahead and give him a follow on Twitter. Believes the SEC will rather settle than handing over such damning evidence. It has been hinted that those files could contain an SEC analysis on XRP that concluded the digital asset is not a security. So again, Ripple has been on here for many years selling XRP, and then all of a sudden the SEC wants to come over here and just pretty much sue them. So again, I don't think that sounds fair. But again, I do believe that this is my opinion. I do believe the SEC is working with Ethereum and Consensus. I know the merge is coming. Might be a good thing for crypto, but I'm not a big fan of Ethereum. But again, that's just my opinion. So the reason why I'm pretty bullish on XRP and the Ripple case is Gensler says the SEC is exploring shared role with CFTC over crypto platforms. So it looks like he's reconsidering taking a loss now. The SEC chief suggests securities and commodities intertwined in current trading venues. So the SEC said his agency is considering how to split oversight of crypto trading platforms between the SEC and the regulator of U.S. commodities, as most platforms include tokens that fit definitions of securities as well as commodities. So again, he has asked the CFTC to work together and kind of regulate crypto. He knows he can't take it around by himself. He knows he pretty much has lost his case already. That goes bad on his name. But he still wants to take control of whatever he can. But again, it says here the securities and commodities have intertwined on today's crypto trading platform, suggesting neither agency could act as a sole watchdog over such venues. That's totally different from what he's been saying these past couple months. But again, like he says here, there is lots of innovation, but plenty of hype. As in other startup fields, many projects likely could fail. So again, we've heard a lot of people say many cryptos will disappear. A lot of cryptos, meme coins, cryptos that don't have utility, they will disappear. It's not if they disappear, but they will disappear. It's just a matter of time. And that's just pretty much it. But again, if we get on to the next article, it says Yellen says crypto hasn't been used for significant Russian sanctions evasion so far. The U.S. Treasury Secretary emphasized the department's crypto monitoring efforts at a House Financial Services Committee hearing on Wednesday. United States Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen told the House Financial Services Committee on Wednesday that her department is not seeing significant use of crypto to evade sanctions placed on Russian oligarchs and government agencies. Yellen was asked repeatedly about digital asset security at the committee's annual hearing on the state of the international financial system. They are aware of the possibility clearly that crypto could be used as a tool, but like she states here, she doesn't believe that hasn't been used at all. So it's hard to use crypto to evade sanctions. Blockchains are being regularly examined and large transactions will be made note of. Crypto exchanges are subject to AML, CFT, which is short for anti-money laundering, or combating the financing of terrorism regulations. So they are part of the financial system. So again, here we do see the financial system being stated. They don't want Russia to have nothing to do with it right now. But again, she does believe that it hasn't been used to evade sanctions. So that's a good thing. This is very bullish because we want to get it to where we could do whatever we want with Bitcoin. Again, that's the whole purpose of Bitcoin. They don't want it to be pretty much regulated, but eventually we will get regulated. I mean, what can we do about it? Can't do really much. So on to some good news. It says Miami unveils Wall Street bull clone ahead of Bitcoin 2022. So the Bitcoin conference has started today. It runs through the 9th. So it says Miami now has its own take on Wall Street's iconic charging bull statue. The installation dubbed Miami Bull was unveiled ahead of Bitcoin 2022. The mayor of Miami, unbuilded today is about 3,000 pounds. He dubbed him the Miami Bull. Sorry. So again, a major conference in the crypto calendar that will see some 30,000 blockchain enthusiasts descend on the Magic City this week. So again, it has started today. It will run through the 9th. But again, some exciting news will be coming from the conference. And I know Bitcoin is down today, but I do remain bullish on all cryptos: Bitcoin, XRP, Cardano, excuse me, CRO, Hedera, Algorand. I do remain bullish on all of those. But again, that's just my opinion. The bull was previewed outside the Miami Beach Convention Center where Bitcoin 2022 takes place earlier today. Welcome to the future of finance. Again, future of finance, those are some big words to say in front of a lot of cameras. So again, let's just take a look at the video here.
Three, two, one. Welcome to the future of finance.
So again, you heard that. Welcome to the future of finance. So again, Miami has been looked at as a Bitcoin city, the Bitcoin hub. But again, many many cities will have to fight for that title. So I do remain bullish on Bitcoin. Even with this article, it says Bitcoin prices are rising. A major catalyst could come soon. Bitcoin and other cryptos were rising on Tuesday as sentiment for risk-sensitive assets got a boost and investors looked ahead to a possible catalyst for Bitcoin within the coming days. Bitcoin, the leading crypto, rose more than 1% to above 46.5. A rally more than a week ago carried the biggest digital asset above the key 45,000 mark for the first time since January. So again, I have stated that 45,000 mark is a major support line. But again, we have dipped below it. So if we take a look here, is at 43.2. But again, I do remain bullish. I do believe we will be on our way up pretty soon, especially with this exciting news coming out. So a level of Bitcoin has managed to defend, going up as high as 48,000 in the last week. Analysts are now looking forward to the start of annual crypto conference that could see an announcement that further buoys the prices. So again, like it says here, they do believe the prices will keep on going up, or at least staying within that 45 to 48,000 range. But again, we'll just have to wait and see what happens within the coming days. So, like I've stated before, I do remain bullish on the crypto markets and whatever is going to go on. So again, we'll just have to wait and see within the next couple of days, see what happens. We do have Bitcoin conference going on right now, but that is all that we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit that like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. Thanks, and until next time.